inside the body. Have you ever wondered what actually happens inside your body after you drink beet juice? To understand what happens, we've got to start right here with the beet itself. Beets naturally provide nutrients like folate and potassium, along with colorful plant compounds called betalains. But one of the most interesting things about beets is that natural dietary nitrate content. And that's where our journey inside the body really begins. Once you consume beets, those dietary nitrates begin a fascinating journey. Through a series of steps involving the mouth and the body, nitrate can eventually be converted into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a signaling molecule that plays an important role in normal blood vessel function. And here's where things get really interesting. Nitric oxide helps blood vessels relax, which supports healthy blood flow and circulation throughout the body. So why does that matter? Healthy blood flow helps your body deliver oxygen and nutrients where they're needed, including two working muscles. That's one reason beetroot and beet juice have gotten so much attention in exercise and nutrition research. But here's something I always want to make clear. Beet juice isn't a miracle drink. It's a nutrient-rich food that can simply become part of an overall healthy lifestyle. And for me, making better choices day after day. Because I learned that healing doesn't have to be complicated. It has to be consistent. So how do I actually use beets in my own juicing routine? One of my favorite combinations is beet, apple, fresh ginger, and lemon. It's simple, it's fresh, and most importantly, it's something I actually enjoy drinking. Because when you're building a healthier lifestyle, it has to be something you can keep doing. And that's really what I want this new Inside the Body series to be about. Not complicated wellness routines. I want us to understand our ingredients a little better, understand what they provide, and learn practical ways to make whole fruits and vegetables.
Juice the earth, I sip it slow. Watch my heavy morning start to glow. Kidney pain turn into a prayer.
If you're ready to start your own juicing journey, check out my Juice the Earth ebooks for simple recipes and resets you can actually follow, and make sure you subscribe. And remember, healing doesn't have to be complicated. It has to be consistent. Thanks for watching. Juice the Earth.
Back to me, back to soaring. I choose me each morning.